Hey guys, if you make a common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs that you may actually not need. Make sure you stay until the end, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Water Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Ram, that generation right here from year 2013 to year 2018. If you have one of those, if you need to find where your alternator fuse is located. Now that will be a humongous fuse. You wonder where it's located. We'll explain that in this video today. It's hidden, guys. We'll explain where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything like engines, transmission, codes, fuses, bodywork, all that stuff. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. On this channel, guys, specifically, we will be making a video about every single fuse, every single relay on that Dodge Ram. And let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your fuel pump fuse goes bad. All we have to do, find our video, watch it for a minute or two, replace that fuse, you're back on the road. So we do that, guys, to help you as much as we can. Also, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So the alternator fuse, where you can guys expect to find it, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram here. Go ahead and open the hood, guys. Once you open the hood, here on the driver's side, if we zoom in a little bit, you will see your car battery. Now guys, here in front of it, that's your main engine fuse box. Press these two tabs at the same time, lift up, it will open. On the inside you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. For the alternator, we need to check, okay, one fuse, but that fuse, guys, okay, it will be humongous, and none of these fuses are that big. The biggest is 80 amps, and that's usually for the radiator fan. What you need to do, however, come to your car battery, guys. On the car battery, on the positive on the positive terminal here, you will have up to 3 fuses. Some models will have long fuses, some will have squares, depending on the year. But if you zoom in, okay, you see these fuses, that's 250 amp fuse, squared fuse. If you need to buy some, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. That's the main alternator fuse that you will, guys, need to check. So guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for a peace of mind. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.